In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export backlog or issues and tickets to Excel in Jira. To begin, open Jira and go to your team's project area. From the project navigation, switch into the list view. This is the view that shows your issues in a table, which is ideal for exporting because it lets Jira capture exactly what you are currently looking at. Once you are in the list view, take a moment to confirm the list contains the items you want to export. If your list is already filtered the way you need, you are ready to continue. The export will reflect your current results, so it is a good habit to double-check before downloading anything. Next, open the Options menu for the list. In Jira, this is usually found near the top right of the Issues table, and it may appear as a small menu button. Click the highlighted menu option to reveal more actions related to searching and exporting. Then continue clicking through the highlighted options as shown, moving deeper into the export choices. These clicks are simply guiding you from the list controls to the export menu, where Jira provides different file formats. When the export format options appear, select the option labeled Excel CSV, All Fields. This choice is important because it exports a CSV file that Excel can open, and it includes all available fields, not just the ones visible in your current columns. That makes it easier to sort, filter, and report on your data later, even if some fields are not displayed on screen right now. After you click Excel CSV, All Fields, Jira will generate the file and your browser will download it. Open the downloaded file in Excel. If Excel asks how to handle the file, choose to open it as a standard CSV, and then you can save it as an Excel workbook if you want to keep formatting or add pivots. Now, if you specifically want to export items from your backlog, switch to the Backlog view from your project navigation. In the Backlog screen, open More Actions. If you see More Actions again within the menu, click it as shown to access additional options. Then choose List to jump back into the list view with backlog items, so you can repeat the same export process from there. And that covers everything you need to know.